What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is where I'm playing games from Warner Brothers, and this is the same thing because I played the first part of Runner Velocity, but I haven't played the second part in a while. I'll go ahead and try it out later. So yeah, I'm playing this called Maximum Torque. This is actually a game that was this was a game from Warner Brothers, which I most likely have never played for a long time. This is actually another 3D player game, because I have. So yeah, in this game you are driving sporty motorcycles, because you can choose up. Maximum Torque is basically a game where you're racing sporty motorcycles. You'll have to go through 3 different locations. They did actually feature some riders in this game, and you gotta stay away from the traffic so you can get ahead. It did actually have, and there weren't any playable vehicles. So I think there's yeah, they did have some playable motorcycles, which I most likely have mentioned. Now I'm gonna start the game here, but before I do, I gotta tell you something interesting about this game. It did actually have it does feature some motorcycle street racing, just like GTA, as well as Midnight Club. And here's only one more thing before we dive into the gameplay. This is almost like a Grand Theft Auto game, because the Burner series had cars, but this one has playable motorcycles. And I am believing that, so in addition to that, there's also Ridge Racer Slipstream, which I still haven't played for a while, because I have to, complete the first championship race. And I still have BlueStacks, and there wasn't any virus. But anyways, let's jump to the game. Oh yeah, I gotta, go to options. Oh yeah, this game was. So yeah, let's dive into the gameplay anyway. Alright, well, I'm not really sure about that, but oh yeah, let's jump to the gameplay. Okay then. I'm gonna use this know what? I'll use this Ducati 748. Oh yeah, let's go right along to the desert first. Oh my god, what happened to this guy? Oh no. What the heck? Oh yeah, what's going on with these graphics? Okay, what are you doing, physics? Oh yeah, what's with this guy on the bike? Oopsie, I did a power slide. Oh yeah, the S button is for nitro. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm going really fast. Oh no. Uh-oh, I think I have lost, looks like I have lost control. I'm not really sure about what those physics are doing here. I got this. Whoa! 1,000. A combo of 1,000. Hey! The heck? Whoa! Oh no! That was insane. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a bird. Hey! What the heck is going on? Shoot, guys. Okay. Well guys, I'm really not sure what the physics are going to do about it. Alright then. Looks like you made through a desert. That's how you do it, physics. You literally came out of nowhere. Alright, let's go right along the pond. Hey, oh, hey, watch the paint. Watch it. Oh yeah, this is a... Oh, that guy looks just like Jeff Gordon. Not really sure. Oh god. Hey, what the heck? God, what on earth? Yes. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Well, I wasn't sure about that, but oh, I think we're back. Let's go and do this anyway. Oh wait, hold on. All right, so I got it. Okay then, so I gotta fix it. Oh well, wait a minute. What is this all about? Whoa, what on earth am I doing here? Oh, I did a power slide. Hey, what was that all about? Yes, I did a power slide. Holy cow. I think he just busted himself up. I did it. What on earth? Okay. This is also like, what do you call it? Now Hey, what the heck? Oh no! Great. Insane. Oh, how did I? Okay, that's not too bad at all. Look at that. I guess I did it. Alright then, let's go right along to Palm. So we're still gonna go with this green motorcycle. So in the back of great. What the frick? Oh yeah, it doesn't work on the audio itself doesn't work. This game doesn't work on Flashpoint Infinity because there are copyright issues. With Flashpoint Navigator, it will not work unless you use something else. Yes, I made it. That was perfect. Hey, look, we got a new bike. Check it out. Alright, heading towards Los Angeles. This is gonna be the last part of... Oh yeah, this is gonna be the last one here. Oh, this bike is a lot. This motorcycle is faster than the other car. It's faster than the opponent. Oh, are you kidding me? Whoa. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Hey! What the heck? What the hell? I'm not sure about what the physics are doing. Oh!
Enemy hates them.
This side. World. Actually, that bike is a little bit too fast, so let's try a different one. I'll use this Suzuki Hayabusa. Well, wait. Okay, what do you think? Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what the hell was that? Okay, I didn't notice anything, but wait a minute. Oh, great. Ow. Every time I of course it will. Oh, great, I'm stuck. Well, no good. I think we should try again because I did not help. Okay, I got enough fuel. Look at that. Whoa, too much power. That's too much steering going on. No. God. What the heck was that? Oh, okay, what? Okay, what the world? Whoa. Whoa. Stupid. Ah! Oh no. But okay, look out. Oh, look out. Oh yeah, please. Hold on. I got this. Okay. Oh, I crashed again. Well, I didn't do good enough. Well, I think I fell off the bike. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, physics? Okay, that's the wrong way. Alright, I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, too slow. It didn't. Oh, okay, it did not help. Actually, you know what? Let's just try again because it didn't work. Well, actually, this is actually. Oh, yeah. What I remember here is Los Angeles. This is only one part of the level that I remember playing, because it's where you have to race through the city and try not to get lost. Otherwise, you will lose the race. Hey, what was that? Who was it? Who was that guy? Okay, I'm gonna try and overtake this bike rider. Okay, how do you do? I crashed. Well, that's not exactly what I'm supposed to do. But hey, oh no, I didn't win. Let's try a different rider. However, okay then. Whoa, what was that? How do you do this? You cannot be Alright then, let's go that way. Over there. Gotta slow down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm getting stuck. I don't know what this was all about. Now, this isn't like... Okay, what is this? Alright, there it is, the garage. Okay, there it is. Alright, that was it. There was only 3 levels. There you go. So what I remember is that there's something like, okay. Alright. This is a lot like the Fast and Furious Superbikes, which was released in 2006. Its physics are pretty much the same as Fast and Furious Supercars. I'm not Alright then. I guess that was it for this episode. Well, there you go. That's the whole entire game. Well, that's not really the entire game, but we have done three levels. We have done 3 levels with 4 different riders. So there you go, people. That was Maximum Torque. This was a game written in a 3D VIA player, 3D VIA player. And also, this is where you're it's where you're racing through it's where you're racing through a desert palm in Los Angeles with 4 different riders. And I'm not sure about what I don't know what the full version was like at all. Oh yeah, I never watched that movie for a long time. Nor did I plan on. Oh yeah, nor did I plan on watching that movie. So let me tell you something. However, though, they did actually create. They did do some burner mods, but I haven't done like 3 different turbo racing games, and I also haven't done Total Wreckage yet. But I will try it out in a little bit. Well, I will think about still haven't tried out for a while. And just to be sure that these are a series that I have played before, because I have played like I also because I have played Speedway Racing as well as Streets on Fire, but there are some other Silent Leap Studios games that most people ever did. Now, if there's only one thing that I can explain is that Asset Studio will not work as expected. That's because I try editing it when I am when I'm trying to fix Turbo Racing 3. Oh, Total Wreckage. That's because I'm trying to modify it. Now the fact, the fact is that I did not have enough time to do anything. But also, I will try out Burner Velocity 2 after I complete Burner Velocity 1. It's also a mod version of Burner 3, but I still haven't done the second part of this game yet. Who knows? I will try out Wheels on Fire and some other Silent Studios games, and I also will do complete. I will also do Ridge Racer Slipstream. I will think. I'll think about them. I will think about that. Who thinks? I will. I will think about the Ridge Racer Slipstream. I'll go ahead and check it out. But for now, if you guys want to play this game, I will find that. Here's a link in the description below. This game is based on that Maximum Torque movie, and it feels really amazing. Let me know in the comments below to see what game you want me to play next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video I make that I'll upload. Later!